The Trelawny police have commenced a probe into the murder of a man who was reportedly gunned down in his community by unknown assailants at a business establishment on Tuesday morning. The deceased have been identified as 31-year-old O'Brien Scarlett, also called Gavin, a laborer of a Carib Road address in the parish. Reports are that about 8:05 a.m., Scarlett was sitting at the front of a shop in the community when he was pounced upon a group of men who opened fire, hitting him all over his body. Scarlett was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. His death brings the murder tally in the parish to 12 since the start of the year. Head of the St. Andrew South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Kurt Ricketts, said they have yet to establish a motive for the murder of two women at the entrance of National Solid Waste Management Authority facility along Spanish Town Road in Kingston. The deceased are identified as Sophia Drummond and her 19-year-old daughter Dominique Duaney. According to the police, sometime after 5 a.m., the women were preparing to start their day's work when they were pounced upon by armed men who opened gunfire, killing them on the spot. 5 students of the Ochoas Primary School remain hospitalized up to last night in stable but critical condition after more than 60 of them were rushed to hospital after eating sweets containing THC, a major psychoactive component in marijuana. It is claimed an unfamiliar vendor turned up at the school gate on Monday morning selling what regular vendor described as gummy weed, packaged as sour belt and marked as containing Delta 8 THC. Health Minister Dr. Tufton and Education Minister Favour Williams visited the hospital as news of the event spread. There are approximately 9 children that are still here. 5 are likely to be admitted because of dehydration, drowsiness, and dizziness, and may have to be kept here overnight for observation and treatment. The majority have been sent home, having been examined and to some extent treated, Tufton told reporters shortly after 6 p.m.